Hi students, in this session we are going to see the computer integrated manufacturing system. Definitions of SIM. SIM is the integration of total manufacturing enterprise through the use of integrated system and data communications coupled with new managerial philosophies that improves the organization efficiency. From the above definition, we have understand that from the raw material to finished product, all the activities are carried out in the industries are monitored and controlled by the use of integrated computer systems. From this picture, we can understand that all the activities are carried out in the industries are monitored and controlled by the integrated systems. Here, what are the activities that are carried out in the industries for producing a finished product? From the design stage, from the design stage onwards to the particular finished product, what are the stages that are involved and how they are monitored and controlled. Let's discuss in this picture. From design to engineering development. From designing, there is a new product have to design. So the new product have to design with the use of CAD softwares, that is AutoCAD, ProUI, Unigraphics, Creo. There are different types of softwares available in the market. So from this we have make a model, then it goes to production definitions, in which type of productions has to carried out. Then next it goes to engineering releases, then manufacturing definition, next goes to manufacturing process, after that business production planning, then it goes to plant operations. After the plant operations, the particular product is manufactured and it goes as a finished product. So these are the activities that are involved for a raw material that are converted to the finished product. Functions of SIM. The SIM concept is that all the FRIM operations related to the productions are incorporated in an integrated computer system to assist and automate the operations. In SIM, the output of one activity serves as the input of the next activity. Here, the FRIM means organizations in which all the production related activities are controlled by the integrated computer systems. From this picture, what are the major operations or the major tasks that are performed in the organization? For a particular product, there is a factory operation from which what are the main departments which are involved? That is design, manufacturing planning, manufacturing control, and business function. In design, what are the functions are made? So in design, we have used the CAD package. In CAD, what are the processes are involved? That is geometric modeling. We always knows the geometric modeling is the creation of a 2D drawings. Then engineering analysis, in which after creating the 2-dimension or 3-dimension drawing, we have to analyze the particular design which is suitable for the production operation. Then design review and evaluation. After analysis, it is suitable for the production or is there is any correction is needed, that is going to design review and evaluation. Next is goes to automated drafting. Once all the three steps are okay for the process, then a 2D drawing printout is made and approved by the design engineer and it goes to the production department. So these are the main activities that are involved in design. Then manufacturing planning. In manufacturing planning, CAM softwares are used. CAM softwares are used for the cost estimation for the particular product. Then computer aided process planning. Next, NC part programming. Next, computerized work study. Then MRP. MRP means material requirement planning and capacity planning. These are involved in the manufacturing planning. Then CAM, manufacturing controlled, in which process are controlled, then process monitoring, shop floor control, computer aided inspections. Then business system, in which order entry, accounting, payroll and customer billings. These are the activities are involved in the business functions. Next, computerized elements of SIM. Here in SIM, what are the elements which are involved for manufacturing a particular product? First, marketing, then product design, planning, purchasing, manufacturing, automated work centers, warehouse, finance and information. These are the elements which are involved in the SIM system. Major elements of SIM. There are 9 major computerized elements of SIM, or we have seen in the above slide, that is marketing, product design, planning, purchasing, manufacturing engineering, factory automation hardware, warehousing, finance and information management. The use of computer integrated machines and automation system in a manufacturing goods is a matter of reference of a computer integrated manufacturing. SIM puts together a range of innovations such as CAD and CAM to create an error-free production process that eliminates workmanship and automates the repetitive task. The computerized elements of SIM system improves the manufacturing speed and automate the production process with real-time sensors and closed-loop control system. First, marketing. The need of a product is identified by the marketing divisions. The specification of the product, the projection of manufacturing quantities, and the strategy for marketing the product are also decided by the marketing department. Marketing also work out the manufacturing cost to assess the economic of the product. Here, the marketing team is responsible for the production of a new product, and if there is any feedback from the customer about the product to improve. Next, product design. The design department of the company established the initial database for the production of a proposed product. In a computerized elements of SIM system, the activities such as geometric modeling and computer aided design, while considering the product requirement and concept generated by to creativity design engineers. The design process is constrained by the cost that will be incurred in the actual production and by capacities of the available production equipments and process. The design process creates the database required to the manufacture of the product. Next, planning. The planning department takes the database established by the design department and enrich it with the production data and information to produce a plan for the production of the product. Planning involves several subsystems with materials, facility means machines or CNC. Next, process means order of the sequence, tools, manpower, capacity, capacity of a machine to produce the particular product, then scheduling, outsourcing, assembly, inspections, logistics, and etc. Then purchase. The purchase department is responsible for the placing the purchase order and a follow up. Also ensure quality in the production process of the vendor. Receiving the items and arrange for inspection and supply the items to stores and time delivery depending on the production schedule. Then manufacturing engineering. Manufacturing engineering is the activity of carrying out the production of the product involving further enrichment of the database with performance data and the information about the production equipment and process. In computerized elements of SIM system, this requires the activities like CNC programming, simulations, and computer aided scheduling of the production activity. Then factory automation and hardware. The SIM system consists of computer controlled process machineries such as CNC machine tools, flexible manufacturing systems, computer controlled robots, material handling systems, computer controlled assembly systems, flexible automated inspection system, and so on. Then warehousing. Warehousing is the function that involving the storage and retrieval of raw material, components, finished goods, as well as shipment of the items. Then finance. Finance deals with the resources, pre-training to money, planning of investment, working capital, and cash flow control, accounting and allocation of funds are the major tasks of the finance department. Information management. This involves master production scheduling, database management, communications, manufacturing system integrations, and management information system. It can be seen that SIM technology ties together all the manufacturing and related functions in a company.